Hi YouTube, Tim Uckert here. In this video, we're going to look at linear functions that represent the cost of something. This could be a potential SAT question that you might come across. And let's take a look at question 1, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. So we have the function f of x equals 35 plus 20x. And the problem reads, the function f represents the total cost in dollars of renting a rental car for x days. How many days can you rent the rental car for $275? So if we're looking at this function, the 35 might be like some one-time fee you have to pay for renting the rental car, and then the $20, the 20x, 20 is the amount per day you have to pay for it. Okay, so let's set 275 equal to f of x. Okay, so we're going to say 275 is f of x, and that equals 35 plus the 20x. So now we're just going to solve for x, because x is the amount of days, right? And we're looking for how many days, right? So what we can do here to get rid of this 35 is we can subtract 35. 35 minus 35 is 0, so we'd only have 20x left. If we subtract 35 from this side of the equation, to keep the equation equivalent, we'll have to subtract 35 from the other side as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So here, 35 minus 35 is 0. We're left with just 20x on this side of the equation. 275 minus 35 is 240. And then now we're going to solve for x, the number of days. So to do that, we'll divide both sides by 20. The zeros will cancel here. These 20 divided by 20 is 1, and 1x is just x. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So we could say that we can rent this rental car for 12 days. All right, let's take a look at some more problems. If you're practicing for the SAT, you might want to pause the problems before I do them, work through the problem, and then see if your solution matches mine. Okay, here we have f of x equals 6 plus 20x. The function f represents the total cost in dollars of a local restaurant delivering x pizzas. How many pizzas can you get delivered for $86? So 86 is going to be our f of x. And we're going to set that equal to 6 plus 20x. And if we think about this, the $6 might be just the cost for the driver to deliver, to just go to your house and deliver. And then each pizza is $20. Okay, to solve for the number of pizzas, we want to get rid of this 6 here, so we would subtract 6 from the right. We'd then have to do that to the left. 6 minus 6 is 0, and 0 plus 20x is just 20x. 86 minus 6 is 80. And now we want to solve for x, which is the number of pizzas. So we're going to divide both sides by 20. The reason I do that, 20 divided by 20 is 1. And we're looking for 1x, which is we can just write as x. And then 80 divided by 20 is 4. So we can get 4 pizzas delivered. Okay, let's try another one. All right, problem 3, we have the function f of x equals 200 plus 300x. This function f represents the total cost in dollars to ski for x days at a Colorado ski resort. How many days can you ski at this resort for $2,000? Okay, you might want to pause the video right now. Okay, if you think of the 200, maybe that's just for renting equipment, although it's probably going to be more than that, or some other type of expense like that. maybe just to park your car somewhere. Could be more than that also. The 300 will be maybe the ticket per day. Okay, so we're going to set 2,000 equal to f of x. So we're going to say 2,000 equals 200 plus 300x. Now I want to get rid of this 200 here, so I'm going to subtract it. And likewise, we must subtract 200 from the left-hand side as well. So we get 1,800 equals 300x. Okay, now I want just x, which is the number of days that I can ski at this resort. So I need to divide by 300 to just get 1x. So we'll divide both sides by 300. 1,800 divided by 300 is 6. And again, this is just going to be 1x or just x. So we can ski at this ski resort for 6 days. So 6 days. All right, let's do one more. Okay, so we've got this function f of x equals 4 plus 11x. The function f represents the total cost in dollars to buy x fast food meals at the local fast food restaurant on one trip. If you have $92, how many fast food meals can you buy at the local fast food restaurant on one trip? So maybe the $4 is like gas or something like that. Okay, so pause the video if you need to pause it. Okay, so we're going to say f of x is 92. So we're going to say 92 equals 4 plus 11x. We're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Four minus 4 is 0. So I'm going to cancel these out and just write 11x because 0 plus 11x is 11x. 92 minus 4 is 88. Okay. Now we're going to divide both sides by 11. Okay, 11 divided by 11 is just 1. So we get x equals 88 divided by 11 is 8. So we can buy 8 fast food meals. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe.